Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. The stream is about to start soon. We're starting the stream soon, guys. Stay active. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Good morning from wherever you're chatting me from. Good morning from wherever you're tuning in from. We're basically about to start the stream, guys. So gold has moved crazy this morning. Gold has moved crazy this morning. Crazy. Please give us a like if you're just tuning into the stream. Please leave a like. Leave a like on the stream, guys. Leave a like on the stream. I'm going to break down gold now. We start looking for opportunities, and if we get some, we're going to enter the trade, and if we don't, we're going to call it. We're just basically going to call it. So let's start with gold. Let's do this, guys. So if you're in stream, guys, do give us a like. Do give us a like, guys. Do give us a like, and let us know where you're commenting from, guys. Let us know. Let us know if you're active. Let us know if you're active. Let us know if you're active, guys. Let us know if you're active. So let's get the stream started. So this is gold 15 minutes, but let's I've cleared off everything already. Let's go over to the daily time frame and let's see what's going on. So I was actually looking at gold this morning and I was anticipating a buy, and I was already hyped for it. I was looking for just a small criteria for gold to do in order for me to enter that pair, but I didn't get what I was looking for. Gold just tank. Hope you guys can hear me. Hope everybody here can hear me. So I'm waiting for one small criteria, but gold didn't do it. But I'm going to show you guys what I was waiting for, so we can both see it and we can both know what we can do. So I'm trying to bring out some things. I'm trying to set up everything properly. There's something I forgot. So I'm going to teach you guys how to be journaling your trade, because I noticed that I've not been doing that on the stream. So I'm actually going to teach you guys how to journal your trade, so you guys can always go back to it and look at what you entered and know how you can use it. So the app I use is Notion on my PC. So I'm also going to drop a video about how you can journal your trade. I'm actually going to drop a video as well on how you can journal your trade. So just for now, I'm trying to open the app. So when the app open, I know what I'm going to do. So this is gold daily time frame. The daily there was a massive sell-off yesterday or day before yesterday on gold. You can see the massive sell-off, crazy ass move, and this move alone can make you a lot of money, and it can also make you blow your account if you don't execute at the right time, or your account is too small, or your stop loss is not well positioned. You can lose a lot of money from this move. But there was also a beautiful trade yesterday that I also didn't see, but that trade alone would have made us banks like a lot of money. So this is gold 4 hours time frame. So let's see what we can do. So we can obviously see that we have a low here. This is our support level. The price came down. You can see it's actually closed. Let's see this. Did it close above? So you can see that this price actually came and closed back, and the 4 hours closed above this level, which was good. So you can see the next one just came back for a retest and break of structure. You can see the price pumping upward. But now the 4 hours is currently at a resistance. I retested the resistance level, and you can see it's currently rejecting off that level. So I was looking for an entry around this level, but I didn't get my my bottom wick, which I was waiting for, but I didn't get it. So if I drop down to my 1 hour time frame, you can see the current 1 hour candle is rejecting off the 4 hours. So the moment you go that 4 hours resistance, it's started rejecting off that level, which is good. So what I can do now is that there was a level that price has broken above. I'm still looking for buys. My buyers is still buy. So but what do I need to see now in order for me to consider going for buys? Now looking at the 1 hour again, you can see no top wick, no bottom wick. Price just pushed up. Do you understand? So this was the exact candle I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for price to come down, retest, and end wick bear, so I can have an impulsive entry at the break of the previous high for price to actually keep pumping to the upside. But I didn't get that. Price just did its own thing, and this is where we are now. This is where price have left us. So this is exactly where we are now. So let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can look at. Let's see how we can look to enter this trade back. So this is the 30 minutes time frame. You can see price is kind of rejecting back to the downside. So what do I want to see in this price now that I want price to do, like, order for me to get into the price? So I need some rejection. I see one price pushing to the downside. I need to see probably price creating this low wick for this candle like this. Then either I get price closing below the structure like this, then I get a bullish closure above the level, or I just get some kind of confirmation around this level. then I'll get a retest, then I can look to buy at this level for price to continue pushing upward. So this is something that can happen on the 30 minutes. But if I go to my 15 minutes time frame, let's drop to the 15 minutes. Let's see what's going on in the 15 minutes. So if I drop to my 15 minutes time frame, what can I see? So it's the same thing I'm talking about in the 15 minutes that I'm looking for. Let's see if price can start pushing to the downside. Let's see if we can get some bearish momentum, price creating a bottom for this candle. Then if we can start getting like, then probably get like a weak rejection to the downside, then closing bullish back above the zone. Then the moment you see like a retest, we can look to buy the price to the upside. So we need like perfect entries. Like we need very clean entries. That's why I'm not sending out any trade, because I'm not getting those clean good entries that I want price to do in order for me to jump into the trade. But there was one yesterday and I missed it. Like there was actually one yesterday and I totally missed it, and that trade alone would have given us way a lot of money, like a lot of money. If we just just had a little runner running, we would have made a lot of money from it. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is what I'm waiting for now. So price to testing this level, then we look for buys. But for if we don't get that here, we can still wait for price to give us some bullish momentum above this level. We get a bullish closure above this level like this, because we already have a resistance level created here. So if I get that and price retesting the level as well, then we can look to buy the price to the upside. So always wait for that price to create your resistance level, like break above your resistance, so your whole structure, because we still have a range here price can cover. And if I measure this range, like you can see it's over 100 people, like way over 100 people. You can see 200 people. So which is 0.01, you can make $20 from this trade if you hold it, because obviously your stop loss is going to be very wide. So that is how crazy the price is right now. Like I said, I dropped it in the chart yesterday. If you're trading a less than $100 account, it's going to be very hard for you to trade gold now. It's going to be very hard for you to trade gold now, unless you're going to risk your entire money on this trade. You understand? Unless you're going to risk your entire money. So let's go over. I'm about to show you guys the trade I saw yesterday that I didn't see it on time. So this was the trade. Price was struggling around here. I'm looking for buys initially above this level, but didn't get the closure. Price just pumped up and price started struggling here. So the moment price closed below this level, you can see it's a very clean trade. Price came up for a retest, and after the retest, what would have been our stop loss? If you place a sell stop below this level, if you place a sell stop below this level, our stop loss would have been around 60 pip, which is fair. We can have a 60 pip stop loss, but you can see the target 60 pip compared to what? 600 pips. That's crazy. That's like 1 to 10. Like you have been risking. If you are risking $6 here, you would have made $60 here. Now me that is risking like probably risking like maybe $150 here. Do the math. I would have made 1,500 from this single trade. So that's crazy. That was actually a crazy move yesterday, and that was it. Anyways, back to this. So we're waiting on this, waiting for this confirmation, waiting for price to do what you need to do in order for us to enter the trade. But if we don't get anything, so be it. It wasn't our day. If we don't get any trade this week, so be it. It wasn't our week, but we're still up for the month. That's the most important thing. So far, so good. So let's wait and let's see if we will get any confirmation from the structure, price creating anything that is reasonable for us to place a trade. But if we don't do that, if we don't get that, then so be it. So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. So let's see how we can likely get anything. Let's see if we can get anything. Let's see if I get anything. So if we get anything, then we're going to enter a trade. I'm going to look GJ now. I'm going to look at GJ as well. So we're going to analyze GJ as well right now and see if GJ has something we can trade off. So let's go over to GJ while we wait for gold. Gold has about 4 more minutes to the end of the 15 minutes candle. Basically the 1 hour. So the 1 hour is closing and it's looking like it's closing weak. So there's something that can actually happen here. The buys on gold is still looking good, because remember I said this before, that if a candle has no top wick and has no bottom wick, it means that there's no competition in that candle. Like a one direction move. Do you understand? And usually in market structure, there's always used to be buying and selling pressure. Like there must be, the two ways must go. Do you understand? There must always be a competition between the two pair. So something I can see here is that if the price close like this and the market come down to retest, just that I don't want to enter a buy of a bearish candle. Like this is already a bearish momentum. So I don't want to enter a buy of a bearish candle. So I will actually need to see a bullish closure. So if price come like this and push down, I don't want to enter it like as price is flipping bullish back. I will actually want to see a bullish pressure, but that is the problem. As us waiting for a bullish pressure, we might legitly actually miss the move, because gold is crazy. It's been really crazy now. So you understand? So you can actually legitly miss the move. Price might actually just do that retest, flip bullish, and start popping back to the upside. That's something you can see on gold. That's something that gold will likely do if we want to move to the up direction. You understand? If price wants to actually move to the up direction, you might not even give us space for us to enter the price at all. Like no room, and there might be no room for us to even enter the price. Like price will just start pumping. So that's something I'm seeing here. But regardless, we just have to wait. Let's wait. Let's see if let's see what's going to happen. Then we know how we're going to respond to it. But for now, there's nothing going on. You can see I marked my highs, and I marked my highs, guys. I marked my highs. And for sales, first has to, unless price creates like a support level around this level. But for sales, the only sales I'm seeing right now is below this level. Like that's the only sales I'm seeing right now. Below the price coming below this level. That's the only sales I'm seeing right now. Aside that, there's nothing else I'm seeing. Thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the love. Aside that, there's nothing else I'm seeing right now. There's nothing else I'm seeing. So let's just wait. So while we're waiting for 1 minute, which even though it ends in the next 5 minutes, is nothing for me. Let's go over to GJ. Let's see what GJ is currently doing. Let's go back to GJ. Let's see what GJ is currently doing, guys. TJ is doing his own thing. I've not looked at this pair for a while. Since the last time I analyzed it, I don't think I've entered this. I've opened this pair up. But anyways, GJ is pumping right now. It gave us a nice trade setup here. It actually gave a very nice trade setup. This is what I'm expecting from gold. But gold is moving crazy. So he gave us a nice setup here already, and it's already pushing upwards. There was an entry here. Stop loss is like 10 7 pip. This is a nice trade actually. So the only thing you can do is wait for price to create a resistance level, create a new resistance level, push down, break up the high, then you can look for bullish continuation. But for now, there's nothing going on. There's no need to even analyzing the pair. So let's go back to gold. Let's see how gold closed. So how did gold close? How did it close? How did it close? So it closed. I think it closed with very weak candle. Yeah, but nothing going on here. Price actually needs to create a bottom wick. We actually need to see a bottom wick being created on gold. Like you legitimately need to see a bottom wick being created on gold. You get, you legitimately need to see a bottom wick. So without that, there's nothing going on. So looking at the 4 hours too. Okay, 4 hours here half time. So let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Probably price just wants to probably we are seeing a downtrend. Price still wants to keep pushing downwards, but I can't do anything now because I haven't gotten any confirmation. There's no candle structure. There's nothing price has given to me that wants to make me go into this trade right now. There's nothing at all. Okay, there's nothing at all. So I just have to wait. Guys. If we miss the move, it wasn't our move. We'll come out tomorrow. Yesterday, what time was this yesterday? What time was this? Yeah. Obviously, I will be streaming here. This would have been when I'm about to round up my stream. So, would have actually caught this move. And I literally was about to stream yesterday, but something happened. So, I needed to go pick up something. So that's why I didn't stream yesterday. That's exactly what I didn't stream yesterday. So I didn't even notice the move on time. It was when I checked my phone and I just saw it dropping. So let's see. Seems like price is holding on to this spot. So this might be our this is going to be our support. So we'll know very soon. Know very soon. We're waiting, guys. We're actually waiting. You have to actually wait for this. We need precise entries. Like that's the only thing we can do. We can't start second guessing our entries because there's some trades we second guess that will still go our way, but we're like okay, they have like a low possibility outcome, but they are still good. But we can't do that with gold now because if you do that, we're going to pay heavy for it. We're going to pay heavy for it. So we have to calm down. And like I said, now I dropped this in the group. This 20 pip target you guys are seeing here it's going to be very impossible for us to have 20 pip target because before we even close our eyes and open our eyes, price has moved over 20 pip, and our stop loss too cannot be the same way. So we have to adjust everything. But eventually, price will go back to its normal movement. But for now, that is doing what it's doing. Let's just capitalize on it and do our best. Okay, let's capitalize. So we're waiting for this candle now. Let's see how this candle close. Let's see how it ends. So we have about 11 more minutes to the end of this candle, and we still have a lot of time from now to the stream ends. So let's read and see what's going on. What's going on? What the market has to offer us. Let's see what the market has to offer us. So price is already moving upwards. Already moving upward.
You can also play your favorite songs in any order, with the freedom to skip forward and backward as much as you'd like. Your audio, your control. Tap the banner to learn more.
Let's keep eating, guys. Let's see what price has to do. Let's see what price has to do. I'm seeing a message here. Say you just blow your account. How? I don't know how. I'm not entered any trade yet. How come you are blowing your account? Like there's no trade yet. Like what are you trading that you're blowing your account? I've not called any trade. I've not called any trade today. So how come you're blowing your account? How come you're blowing your account? So God is moving now. Did he create a bottom wick? Let's see if he created a bottom wick for this previous time. Network seems to be lagging. Did it? Did it? No, it did not. It's fine. We're waiting, guys. Let's see. Let's see. We're actually just waiting to see how the candles close, what price does. That's the little thing we're doing right now. Hope you guys can hear me. If you can hear me and in the stream, just give me a W, put a W on the chat. So if you can hear me, if you're in the stream now and you can actually hear what I'm saying, just give me a W, guys. Give me a W, put W's on the chat. Put W's on the chat. All right, that's calm. That's calm. That's calm. That's calm. I have a good feeling about today. I have a good feeling. I don't know, but I just have a good feeling. I feel like we're going to make money today. So that's the mentality I came here for. So enter the best possible setup, the best trade that we can do, anything we know we can use to make some good money. That's the mentality I'm here today. So. Please, guys, do like the stream, guys. Like the stream, and give it a share if you can give it a share. Let's put more people here. And apparently, our YouTube is growing, but it's growing small. It's growing small. Let's see if we can get our subscribers to 500 before December. It should be really nice. It should be really nice. Let's see if we can get our follow up. That's the plan. Let's see if we can get to 500 subscribers between now and December. And next year we need to scale it up. Scale it up real quick. Let's see. So we have about 6 minutes left for this candle, and it's rejected the level. So let's see. Let's keep seeing. We're just waiting, guys. We're just waiting. At this point, price is like creating a support level here. The price is creating a support level here, so that's what I can see now. So it's left for me to see that's not close yet. So let us wait. The left, if you create a support, it's left for me to see, do I want to trade this range after price has gotten to this high? And if I measure the range, yes, it's still 90 pip. But do I actually want to like trade the range? It's left for me, just left for me at this point. So let's wait and see. It all depends on how this candle close. Depends on how this candle close. And mind you, again, don't forget that this level here is where the 4 hours resistance is. When I was breaking it down in the beginning, I mentioned that this is where my resistance is. So let's not forget that as well. What's going on? Why is my Notion app not opening? What's going on? So looking at the 30 minutes right now, something is coming to my head. If this candle close weak bear, but it's going to be an impulsive entry though. But see, considering if I should place it or not. 50 pip stop loss, 100 pip stop loss. Impulsive entry from this low. The price will continue pushing upward, but it depends on how this candle closes. If it closes really weak, then I'll consider it. But if it closes strong enough, then I'll just consider it as my support. That's what I'm going to do. But it just depends on how the candle closes. So we're waiting. 3 more minutes. Let's see if the candle is strong or not. You can look at the 30 minutes. Sorry guys, 30 minutes weak bearish. You can see the weak structure close. But looking at the 1 hour, you can see the 1 hour is weak too. So there's a lot of rejection going on here. If you're looking at the 4 hours too, 4 hours is starting to reject this high. But let's just wait. Let's see how the candle close first of all. Or more likely, if you close weak, I might likely consider placing a sell stop. And I'm going to be very aggressive with my entries, my stop loss. I'll be very aggressive with my stop loss. I will want to see instant profit if price trigger me. If I don't, even though price later go my way, I will close. But all depends on how the candle close. Because overall, I'm still looking at buys because price is creating higher highs. You can see from here, low broken above, creating higher highs and higher lows. So I'm really looking at bullish continuation for price to actually continue pushing to the upside. But it all depends on. But the previous daily candles so far has been bearish. We have like 2 bearish candles. Notion open now. What's going on? My Notion app is not opening, guys. I'll actually show you guys how to join a trade, but it's not. I can't get it open. Okay, see the way the price is it's doing right now. So just get ready, guys. I think I'm gonna get a sell pretty much. I'm gonna get a sell, and this is like the only trade. This is like the first trade for the week. This is gonna be like the first trade for the week. Where's my one of my app on my PC is opening. I don't know what's going on. Even my MC5 is refusing to open. So wherever the new candle is, like wherever the new candle open from, that's where we're going to place our entry from. So it's going to be something like this. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. So on that, I'm looking at like this candle. If it comes up too much, like this, I won't bother about it. So I'll just wait for. What are we saying, guys? Let's wait. What are we saying, guys? So we're waiting, guys. We're waiting. So I will likely delete my sell stop if the 5 minutes close strong bull. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. What's going to happen now is that we're going to delete. We're actually going to do this. Can you guys say it's a bit explain? We're going to delete our sell stop. Delete sell stop. We're deleting sell stop, guys. And wait for the 15 minutes because I'm looking like the 15 minutes will actually be a better. Oh, calm down. Don't too push too much. The 15 minutes will look like a better entry if when it closes. If it closes, it should look like a very very good entry for us to continue the buys because now price has come up retested and it will look like perfect way to go up. So delete the sell stop, guys. Delete the sell stop. I actually need my notions for open. I don't know what's going on. So delete sell stop, guys. Delete sell stop. This was just a trade idea that didn't even bother about us. So something that I've seen happen over time. So delete sell stop. So another thing that can happen now is let me take this out of this equation. So what we have now is this current structure. So we have a current structure now. We have a candlestick, we have a resistance, and we have a support level. Yeah, if you don't, even though this candle flip bearish now and break is low, I'm not interested unless like I just have to wait for the closure. So if I get the closure of this candle and price is closing, decide to close like this bearish below, then good for me. Then I'll look for a retest and I'll sell the price. But for now, I'm not interested because the retracement is way too much. I can't enter a trade and start having 100 pip. Okay, this is 60 pip, 67 pip. And that's not me where I'm mentioning from. I'm mentioning from here. So this is basically like 60 pip, 90, let's call it 90 pip, 90 pip stop loss. Yeah, and like I said, I've explained to you guys before that expect larger stop loss, larger take profit on gold, but that is not what I'm looking for. So now price has given us a support level, price has given us a resistance level. That's the two key things I'm looking at right now. So the next thing I want price to do is for it to break the highs or break the low. Once I can get those, then I can consider placing a trade. So that's it. I just have now to just trade. And if I don't get anything now, so that's it till tomorrow. So let's just wait and let's hope for the best possible setup so we can look to place a trade. 7 more minutes, guys. 7 more minutes. 7 more minutes. And we'll see if we're gonna get something. 7 more minutes. Like I said, if it price decides to flip bearish now and break is low, I'm not interested in it unless the candle close bearish below. Do you understand? I'm not interested when the price close bearish below. Then we can look for some bearish continuation. But for now, there's nothing going on. I'm legitimately not interested in entering the trade. I have to just wait for the candle to close. So we have about 6 more minutes, so we can sit on our hands and wait for 6 minutes in order for us to place a trade. But once we get this candle closing bullish, like it closed bullish, like just close like a bullish candle, then I can consider looking for longs, like looking for buys for price to actually push to the upside. I can consider that like on the 15 minutes. So I'll look for buys probably above this 15-minute structure. Stop loss will be like around here. Price will push up. So that's something I will most likely consider on this pair today. So but we just have to wait. That's just it. We just have to what? Wait. That's all I can say. Wait. If you guys have any question, don't feel free to shoot me. Let me quickly look at BTC since we have like 5 more minutes. Let me look at Bitcoin. Let me see what Bitcoin is doing. I say Bitcoin was pumping up. Is Bitcoin pumping up? Bitcoin. I say Bitcoin was pumping. Oh, it came up a bit. Oh wow, this is crazy. Bitcoin actually broke structure below. Let's look at the weekly time frame on Bitcoin. Oh, we have a double bottom here. We have a double bottom formation here. Is Bitcoin trying to run below 100K? That's crazy. If Bitcoin break this low, like if it comes to this weekly resistance, this weekly support, and break this low, Bitcoin is going to fall to 76,000. Actually, going to fall to 76,000. Actually, going to fall to 76,000. And if you break 76,000 support, then we can see 50. And if you break 50 support, we're obviously going to see, yeah, we're going to see 25. If it breaks this and this, we'll see 25. Like if it breaks those two supports, we are obviously seeing 25. But there's no how Bitcoin is coming back to 5K. There's no possible way. Like that is impossible. Three more minutes, guys. 3 more minutes. We have just 3 more minutes to wait. Please stay with me. Please stay with me. Please stay with me, guys. Please stay with me. We have just 3 more minutes to wait and catch this move. After 3 more minutes. So 3 more minutes. 15 minutes. Let's go back to gold. Let's go back to gold. So if the 30 minutes close the same way I was looking for the 15 minutes to do, if 30 minutes close weak bear, then I can still look for buys below, sales below. You understand? So let's see. Let's wait and see how the candles close. Let's wait and see how the candle flows. See, price is still trading above this level, so price will be good. And I have a feeling like price will want to come down, create a bottom week, and still try to push above. So if price decide to break this low, we need to be very aggressive with moving our stop loss to BE. So that I'm saying. But on the other hand, price can look to push from this level. Okay, hold on, guys. While we wait, I need to quickly use the bathroom. I have to quickly use the bathroom, so I'm coming, guys. Give me 1 second. We have about 1 minute, so that's enough for me to pee. While waiting, guys, let's see if we're going to get activated. Look at this gold. Let's see 30 minutes. So trade is active, guys. Trade is active. I think we are well. I got slipped in this trade, guys. I got slipped. I got slipped. So I'm just in my entry right now. I got slipped. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right, guys. We're in profits. We're in profits. We're in profits. Keep holding. Keep holding. 50 pip in profit, guys. 50 pip in profit. Close, close, close. 50 pip in profit, guys. You can close. 50 pip in profit, guys. 50 pip in profit. You can close. W's, 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 W's. W's. So it might see drive, it might see drive, it might get 100 pip, it might actually get 100 pip of this trade. It might actually get 100 pip of this trade, guys. It might actually get 100 pip. Like, it's my see drive. I think that's going to 100 pip safe at this point. I think I got 100 pip. Yeah, 100 pip. Actually got 100 pip. But I closed off at, I saw some profits. I saw what I'm looking for and I closed off. So that's it. I waited, I called out the beautiful trade and it played out the way I wanted it to play out. It played out the way I wanted to play out. Like I got sleeped actually. I got legitimately sleeped on this trade, guys. I got sleeped. W's on the chart, guys. W's on the chart. W's on the chart. W's on the chart. W's on the chart, guys. W's on the chart. Like this is what trading is all about, guys. This is what trading is all about. Like just know your craft. Know your craft and the market will pay you. Like it pay you heavy. Just know your craft. W's on the chart. So I waited for this trade. It's going to move more. So if you are still holding, you can still hold. Like this trade is going to move like crazy. Like you will see 200 people from this move. Yeah, I just closed off. I don't know why I even closed off. Like I don't know why I closed off, but this trade is crazy. You will legitimately see 200 people of this trade. Like you will legitimately see 200 people. See, this is like 120, 123 people. Like you will legitimately see 300 people. If you close, let me know on the chat. Like how many people do you close off? Like how many people do you close off? Let me know on the chat. How many people do you close off? Let me know when you close off. Let me know when you close off. Let me know when you close off. Let me know how many pips you secured in. Let me know. Like I said, this is reached 200 freaking pips. Like this was exactly the same time. This was the same time yesterday that gold moved. You can see it. This is damn. I should have held this longer. So you can see I got slips. You can see price is like 180 pip, 180 pip. Crazy, 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 crazy. Like I just saw the structure. I saw that price is failing to continue to the upside. Like there's a lot of rejection. You can see a lot of rejection, price double rejection, price failing to continue to the upside, and boom, we got that to the downside. Like crazy man. W's on the chart. W's on the chart. W's on the chart. So trust me, if market keep moving like this next week, we're going to catch more crazy moves, like more crazy moves, more crazy moves. Trust me, more crazy moves. So funny enough, we had like our normal regular stop loss on this trade. Like we had like our normal regular 30 something pip stop loss. Like this is our normal regular stop loss. And you can see how crazy the candle just moved in. Let's see how many minutes candle. Let's see how many minutes candle made good move like this. Let's see how many minutes candle made good move like this. Let's see how many minutes candle made good move like this. So this is just this 1 minute candle alone moved about 100 pips. So 1 minute candle did 100 pips for us on gold. You can see just close the eye, open the eye. We're already at 100 pips on gold. Man, this is crazy win, man. This is what I'm talking about. You can, if you invest this way, you can make shitload of money on gold, like shitload of money. That if the market structure continues like this. So this is it. This is my trade. This is my one single trade for today, and that's my trade for the day. Like I'm obviously done. No more trade for me. Like this is my first trade for the week, and we made banks on it, man. We made banks on it. We made banks on it, guys. We made banks on it. I'm super grateful for the process. I'm super grateful for the entire process. I'm doing this for years, and still on still, even that far the fact that gold is in a this is a crappy market. This is a crappy market structure. Gold is doing as it's like. You understand? In as much as gold is doing whatever it likes, we still making banks. We still making our money. So that's the goal at the end of the day. So guys, I'm going to be closing up the stream now. Just give me W's on the chat, guys. Just put some W's on the chat. W's on the chat so I can edit when I'm doing my edits. Just put some W's on the chat, guys. Let me see some W's, guys. W's on the chat. W's on the chat, guys. W's on the chat. W's on the chat, guys. Freaking W's on the chat, guys. Hey guys, when you trade with me, you know you're trading with the best ever. So see, we just secured some profit on gold, and that's a massive W on the chart, guys. See you guys tomorrow, Friday. Don't miss it. Okay, guys, I'll be ending the stream now. I'm gonna end the stream now. So see you guys tomorrow, same time tomorrow. Let's trade, man. Let's trade. Let's trade. Let's make cool money together. Let's make cool money. Let's make cool money together. So peace, love, take care. I'm going to drop a video on how to journal your trade with no shorts. It's going to be a YouTube short. Like I want to focus on shorts now before I go back to my long form content, so I can build my page faster. So in the space of just last week and this week, I started posting shorts. I've already gained like over 15 subscribers on YouTube already. So let me focus on shorts so I can build my subscribers higher. Then we go back to our long form content and go and now down to lifestyle content, because I'm thinking of start posting a bit of lifestyle content as well. So you guys will see like basically what's going on outside my life behind trading, like aside trading, what goes on. You get. So that's gonna be what I'm focusing on right now. But for now, let's try and build the community. Let's get to 500, if possible, 1,000 sub before December. So that's the goal. So I'm going to be dropping the content on how to join your trade with Notion. So see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to stream tomorrow, guys. I'm going to stream tomorrow, you guys. So see you guys tomorrow. Peace and love. Take care.